There are others called QDA, Tough Skin, a whole bunch of other things. They help the pre-wrap stick. So what we're going to do is take a grease pad, also known as a heel and lace pad, to protect the anterior and posterior part of the foot and ankle, because this is where you're going to get blisters and or cuts. So, yeah, that's good. We want to keep his legs straight, his foot at 90 degrees to make taping easier. First thing we're going to use is pre-wrap. We're going to cover most of the foot and ankle, overlapping about a third to 50%, just putting a thin layer of pre-wrap all the way up to the calf. Now, having done that, we're going to start taping. We're going to take, when we're talking about tape, generally it's 1 1/2 inch or 1 1/2 inch thick tape. We're going to put, the first job we're going to do is called a simple ankle. We're going to do what's called an anchor first. You can put 2 to 3 anchors at any time up high on the shin. The support strips in this case are called stirrups. You're going to go over the medial ankle bone and then pull it over the same side to the lateral ankle. You want to make sure it doesn't go past the anchor. You're going to overlap just a little bit. Do the same thing posterior. And then do one anterior to the original support strip. At this point, you're going to start distally and do what's called a closing strip. And it's just like the wrist in that it's angled, so you have to go with the contours of the body. And you're going to go all the way up, covering the original anchor and any of the support strip that comes up high. That's it. Okay, go ahead and stop.